Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a 2014 Ford Focus. Start by gathering common tools and finding a level surface to park facing a wall about 25 feet away. Mark the wall with tape to record current beam positions. Locate the headlight housing and the adjustment screws behind it. Make small adjustments and recheck often to avoid overcorrection. Begin with low beams on and measure beam height on the wall from the ground to the center of each light. Use tape to mark the vehicle centerline and the beam centers so you can compare before and after. Adjust only one side at a time and note the amount you move the adjuster. Small, repeatable adjustments prevent glare and keep road lighting safe for everyone. Access the adjuster screws behind each headlight and make deliberate small turns to shift the beam. Use the vertical screw to lower or raise the beam until it matches the horizontal tape line, and use the horizontal screw to center the beam. Tighten any mounting hardware and repeat the measurement process after both headlights are set. Perform a short, low-speed test drive to confirm proper alignment and adjust if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.